Major Leader Kimi J. Hakub, Band Leader T.S. Hans Canale, Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Aaron Cedric F. Bodonia, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Bien Lorenza Abuela, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Eric Jan O. Popla, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Johnny Ann Dieter, CAT Facilitator, Lieutenant Colonel Christopher D. Santander,